It's time for another big music game, and we're about to play Forbidden Rhythm. Level 3. You're about to hear a rhythm that is forbidden, which means it's not allowed.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Enter the safety zone where you've been granted permission to play this rhythm only 3 times. Let's learn this rhythm so we know what not to play.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Excellent work. Repeat after me as we listen and play back a series of hand clapping rhythms, but don't play the forbidden rhythm. Let's listen to that forbidden rhythm one last time before we begin.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Good luck.
1, 2, ready, listen. 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 1, 2, ready, listen.
'No, you didn't. Yes, you did. You just knocked out another big music game. Congratulations.